Hi, this is Joe from howtochangeyourname.com, and today we're going to change our name in the state of Louisiana. Now, if you're on YouTube or any of these wonderful video websites, you want to go in the description area, and we'll have a link to this page so that you can follow along with us and get all the forms right next to the word instructions. But once you get here, we want to scroll down just a little bit, and we pretty much narrowed down the name change process to 5 simple steps in Louisiana. With the first step being you want to fill out a Louisiana name change petition. So you just want to click on that link, and it'll bring you right to the a change of name adult petition for the state. And it's a pretty self-explanatory form. So you don't need to. I don't need to go through it all. Just ask you what your old name is, what your new name that you want to be. And by the way, if you live in Jefferson County, you want to fill out this one. Jefferson County has a special name change petition. You want to have this form notarized. That's very important. You need to have your name change petition notarized, and you want to file it to the county court clerk's office in the county where you live. If you don't know where that is, you can just click right on this link, and it'll bring you to a page that has a list of all the courts in Louisiana. There it is. It's all in alphabetical. So you just scroll down and say you live in Cameron. This would be the address. We even have the phone number in here if you decide to you need to make a phone call because you have a few questions, or you can give us a call and we'll try to help you. I'll see if this thing loads. Nope, still not loaded. But anyways, you want to file that petition to the county court clerk's office where you live. I'm sure there'll be a filing fee. It ranges anywhere from $50 all the way to $400, depending on what county you're in. And you'll be given a case number and a court date. If you were just married or divorced, chances are you probably will not have a court hearing. But in the event that you do, the judge will just ask you some simple questions about why you want to change your name. And upon approval of your name change, they'll give you what is a name change decree. Now, this is the holy of holies. This is the reason why you are doing this process, is because this name change decree is basically your certificate for changing your name at the DMV for your license, passport, social security, everything. This is the whole enchilada. This is what you want. And that's it. That's how you change your name in the state of Louisiana.